You think the system where German them put in can prevent all of this from happening again?
A state of the arts them man they going on. It not impossible, but it a go difficult. To be honest, me no see nobody a go in that system there and last more than 3 seconds before them get detected.
I say that because Tony and see something over there. It look like a glitch. And she sent it to me.
Which day that?
The same day when German finalized everything and Patty filed the same day too.
Interesting. So, at the day when Patsy come back, Tony and see the glitch. You have it? Is this not enough for say somebody that tamper with it? But we still have to keep our eyes open.
Alright, bossy. I have to go up on high alert now. I feel comfortable. I feel safe. I feel open.
Yeah. And that is where you and your daughter reside.
From the other day, after school, over Shepherd and send her. I didn't pick her up.
Well, one of the consolation is Shepherd not send nothing to you. Which means saying that you're nothing. So we can say there's no immediate danger. But we still have to be on high alert. Because if this youth is so versed at this software developing thing, we don't know what can happen. And that laptop is still out there.
Now, obviously, they might wait to make them move. They might wait to get the best person who can crack it.
Shepherd not see nothing. And him not say nothing to we. Still can't take it for granted so we're safe. Something not sit right in my spirit. Something.
See him when I feel bossy. I tell you.
Yes, numbers.
Miss Brissett, sorry for disturbing you, but guess what? The laptop turned on.
What go on?
You start track it?
Right away.
Send me the location.
Laptop turn on, bossy?
Yeah. Him say I try get the location. Yes, numbers.
Turn off again, you know. But the final location.
Send it to me right now, numbers. Stop right there, sir.
That's our location.
It just shows so we're half mile out.
So I'm going to continue.
No. I'm gonna check with T first. Yes, Bubbles. T, you pick up any cameras in the area?
No. I only see home system. No surveillance in the area there.
Alright, T. Whisper. Me go take it from you, sir.